Next problem tayo. Dito, beam loaded as shown in the figure. Draw the shear and bending moment diagram. Letter B, find the maximum shear. And letter C, find the maximum bending moment. Ayan, so before natin ma-draw or ma-drawing yung shear and bending moment diagram, kunin muna natin yung reactions dito sa beam natin. So dito, dito sa may A, ayan, RA, so, ayan, summation of moment at A is equal to 0, counterclockwise yung assumption natin which is positive, RC, ayan, punta sa A, so 12 yung distance niya, minus, so ito yung uniformly distributed natin na 100 pound per foot, so ganon yung ikot niya clockwise, so yung assumption naman natin is positive, kaya ito ay negative, ayan. So that is 100 times, ayan ba, 12. And then, yung distance niya, yung resultant, di ba? Yung resultant, nag-act lang naman sa gitna. So, yan. Yung distance niya hanggang dito sa may A. So, kalahati. So, 1/2 ng 12 ay 6. So, times 6. And then, itong 800, dito yung point load natin. So, yung ikot niya is clockwise. So, minus 800. And then, yung distance niya, from dito, point load hanggang dito sa may A is ito, 9 feet. So, times 9 is equal to 0. Ayan. So, compute. Reaction sa C is equal to 1,200 pound. So, yan yung vertical reaction natin dito sa may point C. So, 1,200 pound. And then next is reaction sa A. So, pwede natin gamitin yung summation of forces vertical is equal to 0. And then, upward, yung assumption natin is positive. So, RA, and then, plus 1,200, and then ito, uniformly distributed load sa beam na 100 pound per foot, so times 12, and then minus, ito, 800 na point load is equal to 0. So, compute, yung reaction sa A is equal to 800 pound. Ayan. So, nakuha na natin yung mga reactions dito sa beam natin. Ayan, so sa A and then sa C. So, pwede na nating i-draw yung shear and bending moment diagram para makuha natin itong B at C, yung maximum shear and bending moment. Ayan, so next slide lang tayo. So, dito, lagay lang natin 800, di ba, dito, yung sa A, 800 pound. And then, dito sa may C is 1,200 pound. Ayan, so palitan lang natin ng kulay. So, una, i-draw natin yung shear diagram. So, start tayo. So, from 0, and then meron tayong reaction dito na 800 pound, which is upward, so pataas. So, punta tayo dito. Ayan, so 800. And then, pupunta tayo sa may point B. E dito, punta tayo sa may point D. And may madadaanan tayo na 100 pound per foot na uniformly distributed load. And then, ang span niya is 9 feet. Ayan, so ilagay lang natin 800 pound minus. So, minus kasi nga, nag-act siya downward. And then, 100 times 9. Ayan, so minus. So, minus 800 minus 100 times 9 is negative 100 pound. So, from 800, pupunta tayo sa may negative, ayan, so negative 100. And then, negative 100, and then dito sa may point B, meron pang point load na nag-act, which is downward. So, negative 100, i-minus natin tong 800 minus 800 is equal to negative 900 pound. Ayan, so dito straight line yan. Ayan, so straight line sa first degree. So, baba tayo ng, let's say dito na lang. Baba tayo ng negative 900 pound. And then, punta tayo, biyahe tayo from point B, punta tayo dito sa may point C. And then, may madadaanan tayo ulit na 100 pound per foot ulit yan, which is 3 feet yung span niya. So, negative 900 pound minus 100 times 3. Ayan, is equal to negative 1,200 pound. Ayan, so from point B, baba tayo ng, let's say dito. Ayan, baba tayo ng negative 1,200. Ayan. So, ganyan. So, paslant yan. Ayan. And then, negative 1,200 pound. And then, dito sa may C is meron tayong upward na reaction, which is ito dito sa may C, 1,200 pound. So, upward, so, i-add natin yan. So, negative 1,200 plus 1,200 pound is equal to 0. Ayan. So, napag-zero natin yung shear diagram natin. Ayan. So, yan yung shear diagram natin. So, next tayo, bending moment diagram. So, let's say, ito na lang, green. So, bending and moment diagram or bending moment diagram. Ayan, so, ito is first degree to, first degree yan. Ayan, first degree and then first degree din to. So, dito, ayan, so, kunin muna natin yung distance, ito. So, let's say, x not x, and then, so, 9 minus x. So, gamitin natin yung by ratio and proportion. Ayan. So, by ratio and proportion, so, kunin natin. Dito na lang. So, dito sa x distance, so, by ratio and proportion. So, x over, ito, 800 is equal to 9 minus x over 100. So, x compute. So, 8 feet. 8 feet yan. And then, 9 minus x. So, ito ay 1 foot. Ayan. So, pwede na nating makuha. So, area method yung gagamitin natin. So, ito muna. Yan. So, that is, so, ito is positive. Lagyan lang natin positive, negative, and then negative. So, ito muna. So, 1/2 ng 800 times 8. 8 feet. So, yan is 3,200 pound per foot. So, dito, punta tayo dyan. So, from 0, so wala namang nag-a-act na moment dito sa A. So, start tayo sa 0. And then, punta tayo dito sa may, ito. Yan, punta tayo dyan. So, 3,000, that is 3,200 pound foot. Ayan. And then, 3,200 pound foot. And then, ito, minus natin. Minus, ito, 1/2 ng 100 times 1 is equal to 3,150 pound foot. Ayan. So, punta tayo dito. Ayan. So, that is 3,150 pound foot. And then, dito, so, minus ulit natin. So, itong shape na to is, di ba, trapezoid? And then, ang area ng trapezoid is, di ba, ang area ng trapezoid ito? Area ng trapezoid ay base 1, B1 plus B2 is over 2 times the height. So, ito, so 900 plus 1,200 divided by 2 times, ilan to? 3 feet. So, 3 feet yan. So, times 3 is equal to 0. Ayan. So, napag-0 natin yung moment natin. So, from 3,150, punta tayo sa may 0. Ayan. Ayan. So, second degree na to. Ayan, second degree. Ito yung curve natin. So, second degree na yan. At ito, second degree na yan. So, ayan yung pinapahanap sa atin. Ano pinapahanap sa atin? Ano na yun? Maximum. Ito, maximum shear. And maximum bend ay yung maximum shear natin, which is ito, negative 1,200. So, that is absolute value lang naman yan. So, letter B is the V max or the maximum shear. So, that is 1,200 pound. So, absolute value yung kukunin natin. So, 1,200 pound yung maximum shear natin. And the maximum moment natin, M max. So, ayan, ito, binulugan na natin. So, 3,200 pound foot. So, yan yung maximum moment natin dito sa, dito sa diagram natin. So, yung maximum moment natin is andito sa may zero shear. So, yung zero shear, nandyan yung maximum moment natin, which is the 3,200 pound foot natin. Ayan. So, yan yung mga sagot natin for this sample problem.